In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to choose an account to reconcile in QuickBooks. This straightforward step-by-step process will help you efficiently manage your finances with confidence. So, let's dive in and get started. Firstly, you'll want to navigate to the QuickBooks site. Open your preferred web browser and type in the QuickBooks URL. It's a good idea to have this site bookmarked for easy access, since you'll be visiting it often for all your accounting needs. Once there, you'll need to ensure you're logged into your account. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to enter your credentials securely. After logging into QuickBooks, locate the Settings section. The Settings icon might look like a gear or cog, which is usually found at the top right corner of the dashboard. Clicking on Settings is the gateway to customizing your QuickBooks experience and accessing various essential tools. It's crucial to familiarize yourself with this area, as it will be instrumental in tailoring QuickBooks to suit your business needs. Next up, select the Reconcile option from within the Settings menu. This action takes you to a dedicated section where you can start the reconciliation process. Reconciliation is an integral part of maintaining your books accurately, as it helps ensure your internal records align with the statements provided by your bank. This step also aids in catching errors or discrepancies early on, promoting smoother financial operations. As you proceed, you'll be prompted with a question. Which account do you want to reconcile? This is where you need to choose the specific account you're planning to reconcile. Typically, QuickBooks will present you with a list of accounts you have set up in your system. It's important to select the correct account, be it a checking, saving, or credit account, to match the one you have your transactions under. This ensures the reconciliation process is carried out seamlessly, as each account will have unique transactions associated with it which need to be individually reconciled against your bank statements. Before picking an account, have your latest bank statements handy. Reconciling without these might lead to unnecessary errors and could complicate matters further down the line. Once you've identified and selected the appropriate account, QuickBooks will guide you through the remaining reconciliation steps, which include reviewing transactions and ensuring the account balance matches your bank statement. And that's it. With these steps completed, you're all set to start your QuickBooks reconciliation journey with confidence. Remember, regular reconciliation is vital for keeping your financial records up to date and error-free. Thank you for watching, and happy accounting.